Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video, and today I have the MagSafe charger that I have with me right now, and let's unbox it. And because I got this, like also another super last minute thing, so let's get right into it then. Okay, let's see what's around the boxes. It's the MagSafe charger. Nothing much. And then obviously there's no power adapter. That is the saddest thing ever, but it's fine. I'm ready to prepare myself a power adapter. This is from Cooler. This is a great power adapter. It's a 18 watts USB-C. It's powered through by USB-C, so this is something that is really great and helpful. So yeah, and basically you don't have to buy the expensive version of the power brick. So let's open it. Pull tabs, and ooh, designed by Apple in California. Okay, let's put this aside first. Do we have stickers? No. Apple really should stop printing all of this because this is not very environmental friendly if they are gonna go all green. But yeah, let's open this. Oh my god, it's so small. It's smaller than I thought. It's so adorable. But yeah, it's really smaller than I thought. I thought it would be bigger, but maybe because of all the image online it looks bigger, so that's why I think that it's bigger. Okay. Is there any proper way to remove this? Oh. Okay. Oh. It's really smaller than I thought. Okay. I have my 12 Pro Max here. Let's see if it snaps. Oh, it snaps right in. It snaps right in. Okay, let's try with the 11 Pro Max. It doesn't snap as well, but it's like it's everywhere. It doesn't stay so much as well. And if you try to hold it, you basically couldn't. So if you have 11 Pro Max, I don't think this is a really good idea to actually invest on this. But yes, let's try it on. Okay, let's gonna snap on my 12 Pro Max to it. Let's see. Oh, snap right in. Oh, loving the animation. Oh my god, yes. This is really satisfying. The MagSafe is really helpful because I have a xros.tech wireless charger and that couldn't really charge my phone, especially while I'm standing, so I have to lay it flat. This is another reason why I need my MagSafe, because this MagSafe is super good. Don't do this at home. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!